Hello English enthusiasts, welcome back to this series of tenses. So today we will learn past simple tense part 3. So this part will be very special for you. So by this part, you can get more knowledge and you can understand as we did the previous parts of our past simple tense. So in this part, today we will learn how to use the past simple tense with regular verbs. Okay, so by watching this video, you can get some ideas and also you can get some knowledge and then you can make some sentences by watch this video, and then you can apply it in your daily life, which will be very important for you to apply this. So this video is beneficial for everyone. So don't waste your time. So grab your notebooks quickly. So we will discuss it quickly. Okay, so no more talking. Let's get started. Before starting, I want to share with you that is in English, there are two verbs when we use in past simple tense. So these are, one is regular and another one is irregular. Okay, but what are the difference between both of these? Okay, so regular verb means that is, if I talk about some words of regular verb, sometimes these types of verbs changes a little bit. This types of verbs changes a little bit, and the irregular verb changes completely. Okay, so it's a tricky one to understand these both, so which we will understand later. So it's the first step to us, that is how can we use it. Okay, so first of all, just watch the video attentively. So here, first of all, see that is regular and irregular, then you can understand. So here we are watching that is regular, that is plate. Okay, it changes a little bit. Words, it changes a little bit but sounds like completely. That is plate. We have simply added ed after the word of play. Then watched. Here I have added the ed. Here I have added the ed. And also cooked. Also, in this verb, I have also added the ed. So, in this regular verb, we generally added the ed after the word of verbs. Okay? So, if we focus on the irregular verbs, here we are watching that is eat, ate. So it's completely changed. Go, went. Same like both of them. Go, went. Drink, drunk. So we have already understood these regular and irregular. So there are more. So I have written this to make you all of you understand. Okay, so there are more, so which we will see later. Okay, but there are more verbs, so you can search it anywhere and then you can just study. Okay, I have written this, that is you can understand and you can simply catch it. So here we have already understood that is regular and irregular, but we will learn regular and irregular. So here, first of all, we will start from irregular. Okay, we will go into the regular verbs topics during past simple. If you learn the regular, then you can do it the irregular. Okay, so first of all, we will start from regular. After that, we will learn the irregular. A little bit later, we will learn it. So today is the first tab. We are in the regular verb, and our today's topic is how to use past simple tense with regular verbs. So first of all, you have to watch that is here. I have written three structures. Okay, so which can be in a positive, in a negative, or in a question. Okay, so these are the main structures that we generally use in the past simple tense with regular verbs. So here, first of all, we're watching that is, first of all, what can be the base form of the verb? As we know, that is here I have written played. So it must be that is to play, okay? So here I have to write to play, to play, to play, to play, to play. And here this is the base form to play, play, or you can simply say the verb one. So is the second form or past form of this base form to play or play. So I played. So it will be the base form only for the positive. We can simply transform it the base form into the past form. Okay, so I played, you played, we played, they played, he, no, it will be the same because only for the past. He played, yes, it's correct. He played, she played, it played. So it was the difference. That is only for the third person plural. We have to add the s or es during the present simple tense. But it's in the past simple tense, so the verb will be the same. So it doesn't matter with the third person singular or another person's of subject. Okay, so here we have already understood this. We can simply do it. And now we will focus with, that is, I have simply added that is ed here, and also we will learn the negative and question. So during the positive, you can we can simply add it that this is played, ed. Okay, so it's the past form here. So here we can practice again. I played, you played, we played, they played, he played, she played, it played. It can be any person's name. It can be mine. Arjon played, which indicates the past. The action was happened. Okay. So here we have already understood the positive, and now we should focus on the negative. During the negative, you have to add the helping verb, and which is did. Okay. Only for the negative you can say did not, or didn't, or you can say both of them, did not or didn't. But in this era, or not in this era, generally in this time we generally use didn't. Why? Because didn't is a contraction of did not. Okay, so it's a contraction, it's a short form of did not. So you can say both of them, but didn't sounds like a formal. So only for this, and on this situation, we are watching that as play. So during the negative sentence, you can say you can transform the base form into the past form. Okay, so the base form will be same during the negative. Okay, but it will be the exceptional only for the positive, because only for the positive you have to transform it, but only for the negative you can transform it. It will be wrong. It will, your sentence will be incorrect. So we can so here we have already understood. We can simply say in this, that is, we can use the what, the base form during the negative. So we can say simply just look it from here. Just look the positive section. If you just look at the positive section, then you can understand the negative. So here we can say that like this: I didn't play, you didn't play, we didn't play, they didn't play, he didn't play, she didn't play, it didn't play. Okay, it can be my name, Arjon didn't play, Korim didn't play. It will be the same only for the negative. But only for the question, there will be it will be a little bit of different. So what are the difference? So first of all, you have to change the order. Just put the helping verb did before the subject. Okay, so here I have put the did before all these subjects here. By this you can understand. Here I have put the did here, and these are the subjects and the play. During the question, it will be same like negative. The verb won't be changed. It will be the base form, or you can say verb 1. So here, did I play? Did you play? Did we play? Did they play? Did he play? Did she play? Did it play? Did Corinne play? Did Arjon play? So here it will be say same here. The verb won't be changed. Okay, it will be the base form here. So this is the main rule here. Or yes, something is blowing in your mind. What's the question? Can we say didn't? Can we say didn't? Why not? We can use it. We can use the didn't. We can use same like this. Didn't means did not. Okay? Didn't I play? Didn't you play? Didn't we play? Didn't they play? Didn't he play? Didn't she play? Didn't it play? But if we don't want to do the contraction, if we say that is did not I play, it will be wrong. Okay, so we have to say like this: did I not play? Your sentence will be like this with the all subjects. Okay, if you don't want to do it into the contraction. But if you want to do it into the contraction in the negative form of question, you have to use that is didn't I play? Didn't you play? Didn't we play? Like this all. Okay, so this is the negative form of question, and I have already told you did I play? It's the positive form of question. So here you have already understood here, and we have already discussed it about this. So here by following this, we have already understood. Now we will follow this. So here we are watching that is where, when, why. So what are the tasks to understand here? Yes, there's a task. So the task is, these are the WS questions, so which we generally use in our daily life. So WS question, that is, we know WS question, where, when, why, how, what. Okay, these are the how much, how many. These are the WS questions. So if we want to say the WS question, we have to just put the WS question before the did. Okay, so here we can simply say when did I play, when did you play, when did we play. You can say like this. You can say like this. And also if you want to say when did we play, when did he play, when did they play, you can say. And if I say that is why, it will be the same also. And if you want to say these kinds of WS question into the negative, then you can say that is when didn't you play, when didn't you play, when didn't he play, you can say. But also some WS questions you can transform it into the negative form of question, that is how. Why? Because how is exceptional. If you say how didn't you play, but it sounds like the grammar rule is correct, but it sounds like unnatural. Okay, why? Because the action has already happened. The action already happened on that period or on that time in the past. Okay, so it indicates that is you didn't play. But how can you ask it with how? Because the action has already done, so we can transform it with the how. We can transform it with other WS question during the negative form of question during the past simple tense. Okay, so these are the rules. So here I hope that is you have already understood, and that's it. This is the today's video of how to use the past simple tenses with regular verbs. So here we have already got some ideas, and by seeing this video, you will like this. So if you like this video, just like, comment, share, and follow my video. And thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye everyone.